As students, we are the primary investors in the Kenyan education sector. We enroll in KIM in good faith, seeking to build our brands and careers. We view the TVET notice not as a verdict of failure, but as a call for administrative alignment. We demand that the regulator recognizes the legitimate expectation of thousands of students who are currently in the middle of their modules. Our education cannot be paused by a press release. It must be protected by a partnership.
This is a very, in fact, this is a nice place, and this school has been here for long.
Yes.
And we still need it to be here. So whatever situation that is on hand, we need it fixed as soon as possible so that the normal programs can go.
Yes.
On.